G'day guys, it's Robert from Outback Equipment. Today's Tinny build series, we're installing a brand new telescopic boarding ladder. Super easy, join us along with the install today. So guys, with our rear boarding ladder, we've got a Relaxn 2-step. Being telescopic guys, just adding obviously an extra little bit of depth, allowing us to jump in the boat. Tools required for the install today, we've got our cordless drill, Phillips head screw bit, couple drill bits and bolts. You'll probably require a shifter or a couple of ring spanners for the job as well. Nice and simple. So guys, some of the quick key features of this particular ladder too, obviously being telescopic, but some options obviously in terms of mounting. We've got 2 screws either side obviously of the ladder. This being retractable, so depending on the position of where you wanted to mount it, we want to fold these ones out. So in our folded out position there guys, we've got it retracted so the arms were sitting flat on that rear step. We want to get an idea and a sense of where we're going to mark it, where it's also going to be installed. Make sure it's in a position where it's not obviously going to be hitting any rails, but also flipping it back up into its closed position, making sure that it's got plenty of rest against the hull. That way it's not going to obviously be falling out when you're underway. So guys, with our marker, we're just going to be marking out where we're going to be drilling. Nice and simple. So guys, before we've gone ahead and drilled, after marking your holes, before we've gone ahead and drilled those, we just want to have it telescoped out, so that way we get an idea of how far it needs to come out from away from the step, but also not too close that when you do put a bit of weight on it, it's not going to be folding up underneath itself. Lucky we got it right the first time. So guys, choice of bolts and nuts we're using today, nice and simple, stainless steel. Anything you're using in marine, obviously industry, we're using 304, 316 stainless steel. That's what we're going to be using today. Alright guys, we've drilled out our one side first. We've banged in 2 screws, the washer and the nut underneath. I'm just going to tighten up the one side first. That way I can get a second alignment with those 2 other screws either side of it. Alright, now we've lined out the next 2 holes, we're going to drill those out now. Alright, so we've got our next 2 screws in there guys, again with just your washer and your nut underneath. We just want to go ahead and tighten them up. Alright guys, that's pretty much the finished product there. Something I did mention in the beginning of the video, with our fitting nuts and bolts, unfortunately they don't come with your boarding ladder. We did have to race up to Bunnings this morning and purchase those. However, super easy install, only took us a few moments, literally in the video, to do. Another thing too, this is not just the only one model in its size. You can buy these in a 3 ladder and telescopic and retractable. There's heaps of different types. Head to Outback Equipment, you can check them out there. Hopefully you've liked the video guys. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you've liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for all your support so far guys with the series. We'll catch you in the next one.